If your door jamb is damaged or loose, fixing it fast can save you from bigger headaches like drafts or security risks. Alright, so first off, check how bad the damage is. If it's just a bit loose, tightening the screws might do the trick. If the wood is cracked or split, you'll probably need to replace parts or the whole jamb. Grab some wood filler for small cracks. Just fill it in, sand it smooth after it dries, and paint over to match. For loose jambs, remove the trim carefully, then use longer screws to secure the jamb deeper into the wall studs. If you're replacing the jamb, measure everything twice to avoid buying the wrong size. When installing the new jamb, make sure it's perfectly square. Use shims to adjust if it's crooked before screwing it in. Paint or stain the jamb after installation to protect it from moisture and give it a fresh look. Don't forget to check your door's swing after fixing the jamb to make sure it closes smoothly without sticking. One of the biggest mistakes people make with door jamb repairs is ignoring loose screws and just slapping on paint, which doesn't fix the real problem. Always tighten or replace screws first. Another common issue is not measuring properly when replacing the jamb, leading to a poor fit that causes drafts or difficulty closing the door. Double-check your measurements before buying materials. Lastly, skipping the step of using shims to level the jamb can cause the door to sag or stick. Take your time with shims so everything lines up just right. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing, so you don't have to stress about finding reliable help. Plus, contractors get matched with real jobs nearby, making it easier for them to grow their business without wasting time chasing leads.